Have some old lace lying around? Try this! Start by blowing up a balloon or two and tie them. Next, lay a doily on top of the balloon and coat it with Mod Podge. Once the Mod Podge is dried, pop the balloon with the thumbtack and peel it from the lace. And that's it! Now you have a multi-purpose lace bowl to use with tea lights, jewelry, keys. The possibilities are endless. Grab an old lamp and remove the lampshade with an X-Acto knife. Then hot glue a doily to the wire lampshade. Repeat this until the wire lampshade is covered. This easy lighting update will add a whimsical touch to any room. Grab a bowl and apply cling wrap to it. I layered a total of 3 times. Next, lay a doily on top and cut it into 4 sections. Then hot glue the pieces back together so they lay flat on the bowl and don't have any wrinkles on the sides. After it's glued together, cover the doily with Mod Podge and wring it out. Lay it back on the bowl, then let it dry. After it's dry, peel the cling wrap from the inside of the bowl. Finally, add a knob or other decorative handle on top. Now your cakes, cookies, and pancakes will be covered and saved for later. Begin by laying out your design. Next, stitch it together. Lay it on a table or mantle and decorate it with greenery, cotton, jars. The possibilities are endless. Grab a terracotta pot and hot glue some doilies on it. Cut and repeat the process until you're happy with the amount of lace. Plant some herbs, succulents, flowers, or other plants, and you have a shabby chic planter. I hope this inspires you to give your old scrap fabric a new look today. See you in my next video.
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.